finding percentage change. To find the percentage change of a phone that is increased from $250 to $320, first of all, we need to find out what the increase is in dollars. So to do that, I'm going to write the word increase, and I'm going to subtract those two numbers. The bigger one first, 320 minus 250. And that equals $70. So there has been a $70 increase. To find that increase as a percentage, we start with the $70 and we're going to make it into a fraction. We put it over the original price of the phone, which is the first number that we're given in the question, the $250. To turn a fraction into a percentage, we multiply by 100. Then we need to type that into our calculator to work out what that equals. So 70 over 250 times by 100 equals 28%. Okay, so it was a 28% increase on the price of that phone. Let's practice that again for part B. The population of a town decreases from 5,478 to 5,034. Find the percentage decrease and round to one decimal place. So this time we are decreasing, so we're going to write decrease, and we're going to find out what the difference is between those two numbers. So big number first, subtract the littler number. Okay, type that in the calculator. And that equals 444 people. To find that as a percentage, we start with the 444. We divide by the starting number, the first number, which is 5478. And to turn that fraction into a percentage, we multiply by 100. Type it in the calculator. Now that gave me a fraction for the answer, so I pressed the SD button to turn it into a decimal. And it said one decimal place. So the decimal point is between the 8 and the 1. The first decimal place, that means, is that 1. I want to keep that 1. Everything after the 1 I want to round off. Because the next number is a 0, it just rounds down, and my answer will be 8.1%. Part C. Find the percentage change and state if it is an increase or a decrease, and give the answer correct to one decimal place for each of these questions that we have here below. So there's two questions that we're going to do here. The first one, we're starting with the number 56 and it's going to the number 81. So you can see that the number is getting bigger. If it's getting bigger, it means that it's an increase. I need to find out how much that increase is, which means I want to subtract the bigger number. I want to start with the bigger number and subtract the smaller number. So 81 minus the 56 is 25. Then to find that as a percentage, you start with 25 and put it over the first number, the starting amount, which is 56, times by 100 to make it a percentage. 25 over 56 times by 100. Again, I have to press the SD button to make it a decimal, and we want one decimal place again. So we want 44.6. So the 6 is the one decimal place. There's a 4 after that, which will round down. So 44.6%. And last one here, we're starting with 45 and it's going to become 22. So that's getting lower, which means that it's a decrease. First of all, we need to find out how much it has decreased by. So bigger number minus smaller number. So that's 23. Then we want to find that as a percentage. So 23, we put that over the starting amount, which is 45, and we times by 100. Press the SD button for the decimal. So we want 51.1. We want to round everything off after that. Because it's ones, we will round down to be 51.1%. That's it. Now it's time for you to practice on these next questions here.